Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We actually got the wheels finally in for Project Angry Apple. Forgeline helped out big time, and Dale from the Pro Touring store got these ordered up. They took about 2 months to come in, maybe a little less than that, 6 to 7 weeks. They were a custom finish on them, nothing that they stock in-house what we picked, but let's go ahead and open them up and we'll show you guys what we ordered. What we ended up doing here was a 19 by 9 front wheel and a 20 by 11 in the AL307 wheel design. So let's get them opened up and see what we've got here. This is the first time I've opened them up. Let's see what we've got. It just showed up. Oh wow. They look good already. These up. Let's see what we've got. What we ended up doing was an anodized gold and smoked lip on the outer barrel and a gunmetal inner finish. And these are light. I know the video doesn't show that, but they do not weigh anything. Let's get the rear one open and see what that looks like. Cool looking. Good job, Pat. I'll tell you what, guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of these, because I love them. Killer on there. I love that rear lip. And if you guys need any kind of wheels in the future, definitely hit up Pro Touring store. They helped out big time getting these ordered. Went through a lot getting these measured out and getting the finishes right. Let's get them thrown on there real quick and see what they look like on the truck.
When I first picked this project up, I was originally thinking of doing the RB3C Forgeline wheels. I was a little undecided on the AL307s. So we contacted Daniel Reyna, and he actually did a rendering for us on both wheels. This is actually a hand-drawn color pencil sketch that I have a copy of, and he absolutely crushed it. When I saw this, I instantly wanted to go with the AL307s over the RB3C wheels. Leave us a comment and let us know what wheels you would have went with.
For tires, we hit up our guys at Nitto and got their G2 and R2 combo. So this is a summer street front tire. We're gonna do it a 265 35 19. And then for the back, we did 315 35 20s in their drag radial. Now this really won't be going to the track that much, but we figure with how much limited traction it's gonna be due to weight in the truck, we needed all the help we can get with the plans for the engine. All right, well here we got the front wheel. Let's see what it looks like bolted onto the truck here. That does look good on there. I'm gonna like it. That does look good on there. I like it. Great job. Let's see what the back one looks like. Just showing what the front wheel looks like, tucked up in there, fully aired out. Once we get a tire mounted on this, we're really gonna be able to see what it looks like outside, all the way aired out on the chassis. Can't wait to see it. Well, that back one looks awesome on the back. This is actually with the rear axle tucked all the way in. That rear dished of a lip turned out perfect.